Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Komisi benta ban keringi kinong wan jengok kai pertai, bat ikiriu sentiu na keleng ke jela Meghalaya, bat na syabar ke jela Rukumju, ka Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, ka bahap apo ke jingpa jingkmi, jong ke Department of Biotechnology, jong ke Sarkar India. Kalasana pendap, ya ke Orchidarium, ne ke Jakathong sentiu, balai pujat, ke badan han riu mer apar Shillong. Kakenhun kinong pathai kubor hakalai terik mentau bena jeliu arajar kat kendai kilayu ala ru banai sakhi delaki jong kikmat yakani ke Jakathong sentiu balai pojat u director jong ke Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development o Professor Dina Bandhu Sahu ha ke jekran bat kinong pathai kubor ulayatho kabayar hadu 1000 square feet bat ke jingshna jong ke Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development yaka kalong ru komisi benta ban plie kalat kelenti ban yok kam yok jam na ka benta ki samla ki ba angnot ban khai bat penya yau yi ki sentiu nda ka bathiet yi ki samba sentiu na ka ni jaka wat la yi kani ka Orchidarium ampat la ban sna pendapura henry ki riu e sentiu na ka ling ka jaka kilawan jo kai bat sondoru kat bamon hapo ka ni ka jaka.
This orchidarium, you will not find this type of set this big anywhere in the country, the whole country. You will find half of this somewhere. You will find mostly put on the orchids are kept in the racks. Not this 3-layer structure, fully automatic. All these structures. So this is one of the modern state-of-the-art orchidarium which you will find in the country. So this is one page. And then we are trying to have mass production of one particular type of orchids which is having a lot of demand, so that people, the farmers can grow and this can become a major horticulture business that we have already done in Manipur, and the same replica we are doing it in Meghalaya. We have already installed the orchid production unit for the mass production in Garo Hills. We have already set up, and we are trying to set up also in different parts of Meghalaya. So that will create actually a hub for the orchids production in different states, all the 8 northeastern states of the country, as well as it will create value addition for the city. That's very important.